Hi there, Claire here. I'm one of CLIQ's Google Ads account managers, and I'm here just to showcase this particular account as a bit of a case study to show you some of the results that we've achieved for this client. So this is a 30-day look back that we are seeing here, and this client is a lawn and garden maintenance company. So they do things like garden services, lawn mowing, um, all of that kind of thing. So they have a budget of around $75 per day, and we are looking at a budget of around $1,500 per month. So in this 30-day look back, we can see that we received 41 conversions with an average CPC of around $7.01 and an average cost per conversion of around $37.80 and a really high conversion rate of around 18.55%. So this conversion rate is really great because we benchmark that at around 5 to 10%. So that's almost double what we would normally benchmark it at. So that's fantastic. And if we have a look at the different conversions that we see here, we can see that there's calls from LP, calls from ads, and LP inquiry. So LP stands for landing page, and this is going to be calls directly from the landing page itself. This calls from ads is calls after you've clicked on a button on the ad. You would just phone the company directly, and then this landing page inquiry is the form submission on the actual page. So part of what we do at CLIQ is sort of like a three-part strategy. So what we do is we use broad match keywords. So that just kind of gets a bit of a wider audience than what we would normally get with phrase and exact. And then we pair that with a very highly targeted landing page that is completely separate from your website. So that means that when somebody's searching for something that's relevant to your business that we are targeting, obviously with those broad match keywords, they'll see an ad, click on it, go through to your landing page, and then they read everything about your business. And they have two ways to contact you on that landing page. So it keeps it nice and targeted, and it also keeps the intent very high. Also, the third part of what we do is we go through and we do daily negatives, and we ensure that the account is sitting in a place where really relevant search terms are coming through, and that daily optimization really helps to keep the search terms relevant, keep the conversions high, and to ensure that we are targeting high intent traffic that was coming through. Um, Another part of our strategy is that we use a bid strategy type of maximize conversions with target CPA. And what we will do is we will put a target CPA on, so that is a target cost per acquisition. And when we see that the account needs a little bit of an adjustment, what we might do is we might change this or remove the target CPA and sort of just toggle this on and off as we need to. This strategy helps to keep the account generating good results because it keeps it dynamic and active, and it makes sure that we are on top of the correct bid strategy type that we should be using at all times. Um, I think that this account has done absolutely fantastically, and if you're in a similar industry or you would like this for your business, please head on over to clickmc.com.au and get hold of us, and we'd love to have a chat to you about how we can achieve similar results for your business. Thanks so much. We'll chat soon. Bye.